The overall goal of this project is to create an underwater autonomous robot for the International RoboSub Competition in San Diego.
It's basically like an underwater obstacle course for the robot where it has to interact with things, and doing this all without any human input. It's completely autonomous.
So we have three major teams: the CS team, the mechanical team, and the electronics team.
The mechanical subteam is in charge of building all the structure and a lot of the functionality of the robot when it comes to interacting with things in its environment.
So the electronics team this year has spent its time making the stack more efficient, reducing its size. We've reduced the stack size by almost a third. And in doing that, we've managed to make the components more power efficient. We've replaced the thrusters with more cost efficient brushless thrusters as opposed to the old brush DC motors.
I'm the lead of the CS team, so my roles include designing the overall structure of the code base, breaking it up into manageable parts, distributing that to the other members of the CS team, writing other parts of the code base.
We've added new systems on board the robot that handle some of the controls at a lower level so that the CS team can focus on doing more of the higher level motion planning.
The reason why I joined the robotics team is because I didn't come to Duke with a lot of engineering skills, and I really wanted to gain experience in practical engineering applications and to be able to work on a really cool project.
I feel like anyone can join the robotics team because everyone is really helpful and very welcoming.
We teach people everything they need from the ground up. If people have zero experience coding, zero experience on the command line, we start people there. So wherever people are, we will teach them what they need and get them up and running.
So the first time we got to the pool and we put the robot in the water, and in about 30 minutes or so we had it working, and we were able to just get the controller out and we were moving it around in the pool, and stuff broke after that. But for the first 30 minutes or so when everything was working well, it just felt really nice to see everything come together at long last after we've been working.
It was driving around, it was stress tested it in terms of putting it deep and making it go fast, and it was amazing to see that all come together.